The Polestar Concept BST is an exciting new performance concept from Polestar, unveiled at the 2024 Goodwood Festival of Speed. This concept car is based on the Polestar 6 and showcases the brand's vision for high-performance electric vehicles. The Polestar Concept BST features bespoke bodywork, finished in a classic motorsport silver, with muscular flared arches, extra-wide track and 22-inch forged alloy wheels. An aerodynamically optimized bonnet, with its unique vented design, is framed by an aggressive front splitter. The motorsport theme continues at the rear with an extreme rear wing and a design completed by the bespoke racing livery-inspired graphics. Located in the first glance paddock, will be demonstrated driving up the 1.2-mile-long hill climb in front of the festival's crowds. Engineered alongside the Polestar 5 and using its bespoke bonded aluminium Polestar Performance Architecture (PPA) platform, the Polestar 6 will represent the pinnacle of the current Polestar lineup. On the main Polestar stand, the Polestar Concept BST is joined by the Polestar 2 and the two new luxury electric performance SUVs Polestar 3 and Polestar 4. Electric Avenue hosts the Polestar 4 this year, and consumers can experience Polestar models for themselves on a test drive along Molecombe Drive within the famous Goodwood estate by signing up at the stand.